Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we are doing another unboxing, and it's that time of the month again. Well, that is a happy little puppy. It's Buster Box time. So let's open up and see what Laddie's got. Saying Laddie, Roscoe. I keep calling you Laddie. I'm just not in the right state of mind at the moment, and things are getting confusing, but let's open up. We have a pineapple, and it says here, freeze me. So before we give him this one, I have to put it in the freezer. Fill with water and freeze, helping to keep your pet cool during the warm weather. It would have been nice a month ago because the weather has changed, but never mind. It's got a squeaker as well. But there we are. We have the rules there. Fill with water and freeze, helping to keep your pet cool during warm weather. Helps maintain dental hygiene. Fun squeaker to encourage play. Can also be used to soothe teething puppies. Find the hole with the toy. Soak and squeeze the toy to fill with water. Freeze for 4 hours minimum. Enjoy. Please note the toy does not squeak when frozen. Well, at the moment the weather's turned. It's got a lot cooler. So I don't really think freezing it would be an option at the moment. So I'll put that to one side. I won't have to do something about that because it's not, the tag's not, as you can see, the little tag there has not come out as it should have done. I'll have to try and get that out after. Next we have this tug and pull. It's a firm piece of plastic spiraled round a little knotted rope. So there we go. Great for a game of tug and pull. Lightweight and robust rubber. Knotted rope to help with dental hygiene. So it's rubber, not plastic. So let's take that off, and I'm going to have to get something else with that because I don't know what I've done with my knife. I had my knife a bit ago and it's vanished. Oh my giddy hands. I don't know where you keep finding things from. Aha, found it. It was on the couch behind me. So let's get this open, and then Roscoe can have a try at this. So he's not easy to see where he is. I hope you can see him. Oops. Where are you? 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 Can't see you. Oh, yeah. Hang on, there you are. Come on. There he is. Let's have a play with this with him. There we go. Okay, so let's turn the camera back round again. And let's have a look at the treats we have. Okay, this week we have Betty Miller's Chunky Dog grain-free soft baked treats with less than 5% fat. There we go. We have dental sticks, peanut butter flavour. They're puppy safe, and these are open. They're open already. Then we have the box flying off the table. Here we have raw, freeze-dried, complete and balanced. 80% chicken, 20% fruits and vegetables, no grain. Now bear with me, let me go and see. I don't think there should be anything else in the box.
A few moments later.
Okay. So, let's have a try at these, shall we? First off, these Chunky Dog grain-free soft baked drink treats. Don't know what flavour they are. Does it say on the back? Nope. Don't think there is an actual flavour to them. Let me just slice these open with my knife of opening because it's torn along the seamed, or the sealed area rather. So what do we have? Well, these are little bone shaped treats. There you go, let's see what you think of those. As usual, he likes them. Come, there's another one there. There's another one there. We'll put them away. And then let's open this big bag raw freeze-dried chicken treats. Oh, wasn't expecting that. I thought they were going to be a bit squidgy, but they're not. They're very incredibly explosive when you squeeze them. There you go. I have to put them on the floor for you and clean off the table because we have another unboxing to do very soon. Let's give you one of these whole, see what you think of them. I'm hoping you can see this. I'm sorry if you can't. There we go, he's taken that one away. Now these dental sticks that are open. In fact, he's moved a little bit. He's moved to the opposite side of the table. So let's see. Roscoe. There you go. He's taken it. Whether he's going to eat it or not, I don't know. But he will play with it for a while. Oh, right. So there we are. That is our Buster Box haul for this month. We have the Chunky Dog treats. We have the raw freeze-dried treats. We have the Denti sticks. We have the pineapple. And we have the and we have the pull toy for him. There we go. So there we are. That's for this week. He's happy. One thing I will say, after the last video I did say that I thought there was a bit in it where there was a deer antler kind, what I thought was a toy at first. It wasn't. That was the treat. So we did get 2 toys and 3 treats, as I thought I was expecting. I've also, as the result of that, they have decided, or they have offered, to take any tennis balls off the list for Roscoe, because I mentioned a few times in that video that I don't like tennis balls for dogs. So that's that. So hopefully Roscoe will enjoy these, and I'm going to have to give this a try. But I've got to get this off first. But I'll do that, and I'll fill it with water and let him take it out and play with it and see what he thinks. If I won't take it out and let him play with it, I'll just let him play in here, see what he thinks. Shouldn't really do that, should I? But never mind. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. For the Buster Box stuff, we'll see you next month. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.